Friends, now in second number question, there is a hemispherical bowl. A vessel is in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder, and the diameter of both hemisphere and cylinder are same. Diameter is given 14, that means radius is 7, and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Okay students, 13 centimeter. You know that sphere radius this and this, so sphere radius is 7 centimeter. 13 centimeter total height, vessel height, total 13. So what is the height of the cylinder? 6 centimeter. 13 में से 7 हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं और हमारा हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर क्या होता है? 6 सेंटीमीटर. हमें वेसल फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया, इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल. So how can we find the inner surface area of vessel? No scooping. So it is very good. Surface area of vessel is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Got it students? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay? Find the surface area, and you know the identity 2 pi RH, that is the CSA of cylinder, and 2 pi R square, that is the CSA of hemisphere. Okay? That is the second question. Understood? Now on question number 3rd. At first students, I am telling to you, it is very necessary to study the question, understood what topics are coming soon. In question number 3rd, a toy in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted by a hemisphere. A toy in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius, and the total height of the toy is 15.5. A cone which is mounted by a hemisphere and both radii are same 3.5 centimeter. Got it? And the total height of the vessel is 15.5 centimeter. Okay? So at first, what is the height of the cone? 3.5 subtracted. So height of the cone is 12.5 centimeter. Sorry, 12 centimeter. Height of cone is 12 centimeter. How can find the area of the toy? How can find the area of the toy? Area of toy is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay? CSA of cone is pi RL and CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square. But major problem. Here L is not given. What is the L? L is the slant height. So at first you find the L. L equals to under root H square plus R square. Utilizing this formula, at first you find the slant height of the cone. Radius is 3.5 and height is 12. Utilizing this formula, at first you find the slant height, then after apply this and find your answer. Okay, clear students? Now on question number 4th. Question number 4th is that a cubical block of side 7 centimeter, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter surmounted by a hemisphere. Surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere? can have and find the surface area of the solid. You see, there have a cubical block of side 7 centimeter. This is a cubical block whose edges are 7 centimeter. And one hemispherical portion is surmounted by a hemisphere. You see this hemisphere? So what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere? The greatest diameter of hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Okay? Greatest diameter is 7 centimeter. Understood, students? Now how can you find the surface area of resulting figure? So surface area is equals to TSA of Q. TSA of Q plus CSA of hemisphere and minus base area. What means of minus base area? Why we are applying there? हम लोग बेस एरिया क्यों लगाएं? एक क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक है, एक छत है, जब उसमें एक हेमिस्फीयर रखा जाएगा तो कुछ पोर्शन हमारा बाकी रह जाएगा ना, और हेमिस्फीयर जहां रखा जाएगा, जैसे गुंबद है, उसमें अगर हेमिस्फीयर हमारा रखा जाएगा तो उसका छत जो है वहां का हटाना पड़ेगा, वरना गुंबद तो दिखेगा ही नहीं। इसलिए हमें क्या करना होगा? बेस एरिया लेस करना होगा। तो फॉर्मूला हमारा क्या होगा? 6a² plus 2 pi r, and base is circular, so base area is pi r square. Utilizing this, so 6a² plus pi r square. Okay? You know the value of a? Value of a is 7, and you know the radius? Yes, radius of this is 7 upon 2 cm. Put all values and find your solution. So students, today 4 questions all solved for your NCERT book. Now we are start next question.